about you, wondering about you, how things gonna be without you.
I'm missing you.
All the times we had growing up, we rich and heart was never sad.
Every single day,
I've been sitting around, knowing you're around, good to know my heart's on solid ground.
every once in a while,
I'm just thinking about you, wondering about you, wish that I could be around you.
just think about what were you going through? I'm missing you. I'm missing you. Sometimes I feel like I'm on the outside looking at my own thoughts. I'm in my feelings, starting to see what the world is dealing. It's made of a bottle of things. What that money can bring to the table doesn't mean that you're just mentally stable. It's like when you play the hands of cards, I know when the ace maybe play, you can end up being fucked every day. It's time to change my ways, my hustle, my style, my smile, my frown. Maybe just the way I clown around when everybody's being serious now. I miss the way we used to talk and walk, the way we used to skate and play into the late days. Now the street lights on, alarm clocks on. It's time to go our separate ways, but I was waiting on the next day. Damn, damn, damn. What were you going through? I'm missing you. I'm missing you. Damn, I wish my best friend was here, just so she could see the stage of life that I am near. I'm trying not to throw my fist into a wall, because another sister trying to tell my business, she ain't got it all. She ain't even got that wisdom or a gift. She just sitting on the couch, just humming on a wish. Now sit back, sit still. That's what my best friend would have said. This conversation that you need to take 2 volumes to your head. You had lost your mind, you had lost your real friend. This bitch was down with you until death called you in. But now I'm sitting on this melody, but you can call me Elodie, and I don't give a fuck about you knowing me, bitch. Damn, damn, damn. Now what were you going through? I'm missing you. Now fuck a bitch, you dismiss. I don't give a damn about that pettiness. I don't give a damn about that dumb shit. You can pour me a shot of Henny while I'm sitting in my mini. You can stop, pause, and rewind. Now fuck a bitch, you dismiss. You can give up all that pettiness. Don't give a damn about that dumb shit. You can pour me a shot of Henny while I'm sitting in my mini. Yes, I know I'm looking pretty. Got my own stocks and bonds. It's so